Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Hey, Alia, it's really hard to find a property where you have everything going on for you. You got a big lot, you got the square footage, you got good schools, right? And you live in an area which is very family oriented. What do you think about this one?
Absolutely, Eddie. I live here myself. It is a gorgeous little community in the heart of Silver Creek. You've got a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, gorgeous executive style home. You really need to check it out.
Absolutely. Not to mention there's a loft upstairs which could be a bedroom or an office or a playroom.
Absolutely.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 2011 Mandelay Pl. This gorgeous luxury home is located in the heart of Silver Creek in the prestigious Hillstone Estates. It's situated on a beautiful sprawling lot at the end of a private cul-de-sac with mature trees, sweeping views, and an expansive driveway leading to a spacious 3-car garage. The home has a bright and spacious floor plan with a soaring cathedral ceiling and plenty of windows, allowing an abundance of natural light to gleam throughout. Designer paint throughout the home with easy to maintain tile flooring on the main level. The large gourmet kitchen has a center island with new stainless steel appliances and newly refinished cabinets. This spectacular estate boasts 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, which includes a sought-after ensuite bedroom on the lower level, Additionally, there's a roomy open loft perfect for a child's playroom, office, or lounge area. Great schools nearby, close to a variety of shopping, grocery stores, and parks, with easy access to all major commuter routes. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a home in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in San Jose.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you witnessed, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.